Let's do a soft glam look. I'm starting with brows to softly frame the face. I'm using my Davis brow pencil to lightly sketch and fill in my brows, focusing on the sparse areas first. I'm keeping the strokes soft and natural so the brows still look full but effortless. I love this pencil because it is super easy to work with. The tip gives me control so I can sketch my brows precisely without them looking harsh. I'm taking a spoolie brush and gently brushing out the front of my brows. This helps soften any harsh lines and blends the product into the brow hairs so the front of the brow looks more natural and effortless. We're going in with concealer to clean our brows. I'm applying a lighter shade underneath the brow to lift and brighten the area, and a slightly darker shade on top so everything blends seamlessly into the skin. This keeps the brows defined but still soft and natural. Make sure to keep a steady hand when concealing your brows to avoid any mistakes and keep the lines clean. Taking your time here really makes a difference in how polished the brows turn out. For soft glam, the goal isn't harsh or overly sculpted brows. It's about keeping them clean, defined and natural so they enhance your features without overpowering them. Perfectly groomed brows give structure to the face while still keeping that soft, fresh look we are looking for. Making sure the brows are even, blended and well shaped also helps the makeup look more polished and professional. It creates a smooth base for the rest of the makeup and really sets the tone for the entire glam. That's why I always spend a little extra time perfecting my brows, because in soft glam, they truly make or break the look. I'm taking a small dense brush to carefully blend out any excess concealer around the brows. This helps soften the edges, making the brows look flawless and natural while keeping the shape sharp and clean. Finally, I'm going in with my spoolie one more time to brush through the brows and blend everything together. This helps soften any harsh lines and gives the brows a natural, full finish, perfect for our soft glam look. Now I'm prepping my eyelids with concealer to create a smooth, even canvas for the eyeshadow. This step is so important because it helps the eyeshadow colors appear more vibrant and blend effortlessly without patchiness. I'm going to go ahead to set my eyelids with a light layer of translucent powder. This step is really important because it prevents any creasing and helps the eyeshadow blend smoothly. Now I'm applying a soft warm neutral shade right in the middle of my eyelids. I'm packing it on gently and blending it out so it transitions smoothly. Next, I'm taking a lighter brown shade to blend out the warm brown on my eyelids. This helps soften any harsh edges and create a smooth, seamless transition between colors. Blending is so important for soft glam. It keeps the look polished and natural while still giving the eyes subtle depth and dimension. Next, I'm deepening the outer corner of the eye with a slightly darker shade, focusing on blending it into the crease and outer lid. The key here is to build the color gradually. You can always add more, but it's harder to take away if it's too dark. Now I'm moving on to my liquid black eyeliner. I love using liquid liner because it gives so much precision, defined line that really enhances the eyes. I'm starting close to the lash line, making sure the line is smooth and even, which helps makes the lashes look fuller and the eyes more awake. For this soft glam look, I'm keeping the line elegant and polished, not too thick or harsh, so it complements the eyeshadow rather than overpowering it. I'm adding a blue pencil liner to my waterline to give a subtle pop of color. It lifts the eyes and adds a fresh modern touch while still keeping the look soft and elegant. Even a small detail like this can really elevate the whole soft glam look. I'm prepping my skin with NYX Gripping Primer using my fingers. It helps the foundation stick better, evens out the skin and creates a smooth base for a long-lasting, flawless, soft glam look. I'm applying my Tear Cushion Foundation in Ebony to even out my skin tone. It gives buildable natural coverage while keeping the skin looking smooth and radiant, perfect for a soft glam base. Next, I'm using my Nuban Beauty Concealer to highlight the areas of my face I want to bring forward. This brightens the high points, adds dimensions, and helps create that soft glowing effect for our soft glam look. Now I'm contouring to add dimension and define my features. I'm focusing on the hollows of my cheeks, jawline, and temples to subtly sculpt the face while keeping everything soft and natural for our soft glam look. After letting the concealer sit for a minute, I'm using a small fluffy brush to blend out the highlighted areas. This ensures a seamless natural finish and keeps the soft glam look smooth and radiant. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Gorg Orange to add a healthy flush of color to the cheeks. It brightens up the face and keeps the look fresh and radiant, perfect for our soft glam makeup. To intensify the highlight, I'm adding a slightly brighter concealer to my under eyes and I'm using a small fluffy brush to blend it all out. This brightens and lifts the features, giving a fresh radiant glow that's perfect for the soft glam. Now I'm setting my makeup with a setting powder to lock everything in place. This helps prevent creasing, keeps the highlight and concealer in place, and ensures a long-lasting flawless soft glam finish. Now I'm applying my powder shade to set the rest of my face. This mattifies the skin where needed, ensures the foundation stays in place and gives a smooth flawless base for the rest of the soft glam look. I'm applying some powder blush to the apples of my cheeks to add warmth and a healthy flush. Then I'm using translucent powder to bake under my eyes, which brightens the area and helps the concealer stay flawless all day. Now I'm starting with a lip liner to define and shape my lips. This helps create a clean base for the lipstick and ensures it lasts longer while keeping the look polished and precise for our soft glam makeup look. I'm filling them in with a complementary lipstick to complete the look. This adds color, enhances the shape and ties the whole soft glam makeup together, keeping it elegant and polished. And I'm just going to finish that off with some gloss. Now I'm applying lashes to add drama and definition to the eyes. They instantly lift and open up the eyes, complementing the soft glam look while keeping it elegant. Next, I'm going to go ahead to apply mascara to blend my natural lashes with the false ones and add extra volume and length. This helps the eye look fuller, more defined and complete the soft glam eye look perfectly. Now I'm gently dusting off the excess powder under my eyes. This reveals a smooth, bright under eye area while keeping the concealer in place and maintaining the flawless soft glam finish. I'm applying highlighter to the high points of my face. To finish, I'm using a setting spray to lock in the makeup, keeping everything fresh and flawless all day, perfect for our soft glam look. And here we have our final look. If you watched this video to this point, I want to say thank you and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this tutorial. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. See you in my next one. Bye.